Welcome to Fact Flash and you are watching City Updates. Before moving on to the headlines, we wish our viewers a very happy and safe Eid. Let's celebrate this Eid staying at home and follow all the guidelines of COVID-19. Now today's headlines. Nurses and doctors of Gothri Hospital are on strike. The food department raided shops behind Khanderao Market. The crime branch arrested a youth in CM Vijay Rupani's McDonald's speech case. And lastly, COVID updates. Amid the second wave of coronavirus, a shocking news is coming from Gothri Hospital, where 330 nurses and 120 doctors are on strike. Almost 5,000 coronavirus patients are suffering as the treatment is being stopped. Medical and nursing staff at Gothri GMERS Hospital have been on strike for 2 days as hundreds of patients are undergoing treatment for serious diseases like corona. The strike intensifies on Thursday. The hospital had 330 nursing staff and about 120 doctors who did not join in the treatment of the patients. As a result, the patients' family members lamented and doctors and nursing staff were trying to take advantage of the government's coronary epidemic by squeezing its nose. The demands of doctors and nurses will be met even then. A compromise will be reached, but if relatives die, who is responsible for it? As many as 500 corona patients were being treated at Gothri Hospital on Thursday, with doctors and nursing staff launching a strike. However, the responsibility of treating the patients fell on 30 nurses who came for the internship. These students are delivered drug to corona patients. Doctors have not come to the patients for last 2 days. The food branch of Vadodara raided the shops behind Khanderao Market. 160 kg of inedible food were destroyed. Taking care people's health in mind, the food branch has taken this action amid the coronavirus crisis. The food branch raided shops behind Khanderao Market and destroyed 160 kg of inedible fruits, including mangoes, as mangoes were being sold more in views of summer and corona. Surprise checks were carried out to take care of people's health. Dr. Mukesh Vaidya, head food branch, formed 2 teams of food safety officers on May 10 and 11, raided the mango traders in Khanderao Market area and carried out intensive checking, in which 160 of inedible foods including citrus, pomegranate, papaya, chiku were destroyed. However, calcium carbide powder was found during the raid. Traders are instructed to maintain cleanliness and abide the rules of corona. Crime branch of Vadodara arrested a youth named Pradeep in CM Vijay Rupani's McDonald's speech case. Crime branch says that the speech was tempered and went viral for publicity purposes. The crime branch has nabbed the youth who tampered with the original speech of Chief Minister with McDonald's and posted it on social media. Crime branch PI VR Kher said that a speech of Chief Minister Vijay Rupani with McDonald's company went viral on social media recently. Accused Pradeep has posted videos mocking other leaders on his social media account, tampering with the Chief Minister's McDonald's speech and attaching songs to him. Besides, videos mocking the Gujarati leaders of the country have also been posted. Now let's take a look at the corona updates. The situation of the city is still sensitive as the number of coronavirus cases are still increasing. The city has recorded 942 fresh coronavirus cases, but the good news is that the recoveries are also increasing. The number of recoveries are 988 and total number of deaths are 8 in last 24 hours.